Let's go on an animal adventure, come along with me. We'll meet the lion in the jungle, roaring wild and free. Roar, roar, hear him loud, king of all the trees. In the jungle he is proud, living life with ease. Adventure time, we're on our way to feed the animals, hip hooray. Listen to their sounds, learn where they stay. Let's explore the world today. Now we're flying to the ocean where the dolphins play. They splash and swim, they jump so high in the salty bay. Click, click, the dolphins sing, happy in the sea. In their watery home, they swim as playful as can be. Adventure time, we're on our way to feed the animals, hip hooray. Listen to their sounds, learn where they stay. Let's explore the world today. Off to the farm, let's meet the cow, grazing in the sun. Moo moo, she calls out loud, eating grass is fun. She lives on the meadow with friends so near. The farm is where she stays all year. Adventure time, we're on our way to feed the animals, hip hooray. Listen to their sounds, learn where they stay. Let's explore the world today. In the forest there's a bird flying up so high. Tweet, tweet, her song is sweet, singing in the sky. She built her nest in the trees so tall. Her home is safe and her songs do call. Adventure time, we're on our way to feed the animals, hip hooray. Listen to their sounds, learn where they stay. Let's explore the world today. Our adventure's done for now, but there's more to see. Animals all around the world, living wild and free. We'll meet again to learn some more sounds and habitats. Every animal is special, remember that.